Whether you have a backup or not, this guide will walk you through the best methods to recover data from iPad stuck in recovery mode quickly and safely. Part 1. How to recover data from iPad stuck in recovery mode. If you have an iTunes or iCloud backup, you can use Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery to recover data from an iPad in recovery mode without losing a 1.1 Restore files from iPad stuck in recovery mode from iTunes backup. Step 1. After installing and launching the program, select the Recover from iTunes Backup File option on the left side of the screen. The program will automatically scan the iTunes backup on your computer. Choose the backup file from the list and click Start Scan. Step 2. Next, select the data types you wish to recover and click the Start Scan button in the top right corner. Step 3. Browse through the categories and choose the specific deleted files you want to restore. To recover your files from the iTunes backup, click Recover to Computer, and the restoration process will begin. 1.2. Retrieve data from iPad stuck in recovery mode from iCloud backup. Step 1. Launch the software and switch to Recover from iCloud mode. Sign into your iCloud account when prompted. Note: if two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code sent to your iOS device and click Verify to proceed. Step 2. Choose the file types you wish to recover and click Next to start a quick scan. This will allow you to preview detailed information from your iCloud backup. Step 3. Once you've selected the files you want to restore, click Recover to Computer to save them to your device. Part 2. How to fix iPad stuck in recovery mode without data loss. If you not only want to recover data but also restore your iPad to normal operation, iOS System Recovery is another reliable tool. Step 1. Download and launch the tool on your computer, then connect your iPad via USB cable. On the welcome screen, navigate to the iOS System Recovery section. Step 2. The tool will automatically detect if your iPad is stuck in recovery mode. Once detected, click Start to proceed. Choose the repair mode and click Confirm to continue. Step 3. Verify your iPhone's details, then click Repair to begin fixing the issue of your iPad being stuck in recovery mode. Once the process is complete, your iPad will restart and exit recovery mode successfully.